To use Azure Update Management to assess and manage updates for Azure virtual machines, we need first to create a Azure Automation account. For that, we navigate to Automation Accounts, select Add, and here we can enter the name for our automation account, select the specific subscription, resource group, and the region we want to deploy the Azure Automation account in. Make sure that the Azure Automation account location is supported with the workspace region. Select Create. And this will take a couple of seconds to create the automation account. After the automation account has been created, we can now go and enable update management for our Azure virtual machines. For that, we navigate to virtual machines. We select the virtual machines we want to connect to our update management solution. We navigate to services, select update management. And now we could say automatically configure Log Analytics workspace and automation account. This will create a new Log Analytics workspace and automation account to manage these VMs. However, we want to use an existing Log Analytics workspace and automation account. So we're going to change these settings. We're going to select the Log Analytics workspace we want to use and select the specific subscription for our automation account and select the automation account we have just created. Select OK. And now we can select Enable to enable update management for our virtual machines. After update management has been enabled, we can now navigate to our automation account. In the automation account under Update Management, we can now find an assessment of our virtual machines. It can take a few minutes for Update Management to gather the specific log and log information. After that, you can basically view the compliance state of the virtual machines and see which Azure virtual machine has still missing updates. And you can also see what updates are missing from each of the machines.